What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drone in 2026 for aerial photography, travel, content creation, or just fun flying, today's video is for you. We've researched and compared some of the best drones currently available based on camera quality, flight time, stability, smart features, portability, and overall value. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best drones of 2026, covering their features, strengths, weaknesses, and who they're best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. G11 Pro 6K Drone. In the top spot, we have the G11 Pro 6K drone. This drone offers the best overall combination of camera quality, flight stability, and advanced flight performance. It features 6K image capability and 4K at 30 FPS video recording paired with a 3-axis brushless gimbal for smooth cinematic footage. Flight time reaches up to 70 minutes with 2 batteries. Its 10,000-foot transmission range gives you excellent operational freedom. FAA compliance is also a major advantage for users who want a more serious flying experience. Auto return and GPS-assisted flight make it reliable and safe. This drone feels closer to professional-level performance while staying relatively affordable. Pros: excellent camera quality, strong gimbal stabilization, long flight range, reliable GPS functions, professional feel. Number 2. Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone. At number 2, we have the Atom 4K GPS drone. This is one of the most balanced drones on this list. It offers a premium flight experience with excellent portability. The drone weighs under 249 grams, but still delivers a powerful feature set, including a 3-axis gimbal, visual tracking, quick shots, and 6km transmission. The Fly More combo includes additional batteries for up to 96 minutes total flight time. Its 4K at 30 FPS recording provides clean and stable video output. Visual tracking performs especially well for action shots. Pros: very portable, excellent gimbal stabilization, long total flight time, strong smart features, reliable transmission range, ideal for travelers, vloggers, and intermediate drone users. Number 3. YIKKEON 3-axis gimbal GPS drone. At number 3, we have the YIKKEON 3-axis gimbal GPS drone. This drone offers a strong balance between camera stabilization, range, and battery performance. The standout feature here is the 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This makes a huge difference for smooth footage compared to digital stabilization. It offers 4K video recording, 10,000 feet range, and up to 90 minutes of flight time with 3 batteries. The built-in HD screen remote is another nice touch because you don't always have to rely on your smartphone. Smart functions like auto return and follow me make it even more user-friendly. Pros: excellent stabilized footage, strong transmission range, long battery life, built-in display controller, reliable GPS features, great for content creators who prioritize smooth video. Number 4. B16 4K GPS drone. At number 4, we have the B16 GPS drone. This is one of the best beginner-friendly drones on the market right now. It combines a lightweight foldable design, GPS support, and a reliable 4K camera. What makes the B16 attractive is its simplicity. Setup is straightforward, controls are beginner-friendly, and GPS functions improve stability significantly. Its brushless motors improve efficiency and durability over standard brushed motors. With up to 50 minutes of total flight time, it's solid for longer sessions. Pros: excellent for beginners. GPS improves stability and safety. Foldable and portable. Brushless motors increase lifespan. Affordable pricing. Perfect for first-time drone buyers and hobby users. Number 5. GPS drone with 8K camera for adults. At number 5, we have the GPS drone with 8K camera. This drone is designed for users who want premium camera specs without spending flagship-level money. It features an 8K camera system, obstacle avoidance, intelligent flight modes, and a large screen controller, making it stand out in the budget premium category. The drone weighs under 249 grams, which is a major advantage because it's easier to carry and may avoid certain registration requirements depending on your location. The 3 batteries included provide up to 75 minutes of total flight time, which is impressive. The 50x zoom function gives users flexibility for capturing distant objects. Pros: the 8K camera is the main highlight. Obstacle avoidance adds safety for beginners. Long battery life with 3 batteries included. Portable and lightweight. Follow Me mode works well for tracking. This is ideal for beginners and casual content creators wanting strong specs at a lower price. Thanks for watching. Links to all the drones mentioned in this video are in the description below. If this video helped you find the right drone, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next tech review. And comment below, what's the most important feature you look for in a drone? Camera quality, flight time, or range? See you in the next video.